Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert automatically some text, random text in your Microsoft Word. So you have to type this formula equal sign, then RAND, now this bracket, so RAND and this bracket. Now how many paragraph you need? Type like I need 50, for example, paragraph. So type 50, now comma, and how many sentence you need in every paragraph. Like for example, you need 11 sentence in every paragraph. Then close bracket, then enter. So you have this dummy text. Random text you can generate easily. Just you need to use this formula. So you okay, equal sign, then RAND. Now bracket, enter the number of paragraph, then comma, and enter the number of sentence. Okay, like 11, then close bracket, press enter, like this. So thanks for watching. Share, like, and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.